Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need Visual Studio 2022 and the NET SDK installed. Once ready, open Visual Studio and choose Create a New Project. Select the C# template you want, for example Console App, Net, or ASP, NET Core Web App, and make sure the target framework matches your SDK. Name the project and pick a solution location. Once done, click Create and Visual Studio will scaffold files and set up project references so you can start coding immediately. Now you'll configure project settings and begin implementation. Open the CSproj to check target framework, Lang version, and nullable settings. Modify them to enable new C# features. Use Solution Explorer to inspect program, CS, and other generated files. Add required NuGet packages via Manage Packages or the terminal with .NET Add Package. Start writing code and program. CS or new classes. Make sure to build frequently so compiler feedback guides you. Once methods are in place, run and step through with the debugger. Finish by building and running your app to verify behavior. Press F5 to debug or Control plus F5 to run without the debugger. If errors appear, open the error list and output windows to see line numbers and messages. Make sure NuGet packages are restored, the target framework matches installed SDKs, and required using directives are present. If you hit persistent issues, rebuild after cleaning the solution and restart Visual Studio. One key troubleshooting tip: restore packages and confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.